Cat Smith. Número 4. Dog Smith. Número 3. Raccoon Smith.
This raccoon that ever tried Dorito. Hold on, bro. You good? Damn, he about to sneeze. I'm out of here. Hold on. He about to sneeze. He about to sneeze. He about to sneeze.
Número 2. Russian Man Smith. Número 1. Hedgehog Smith.